Are you looking to buy a new house? Shoshana Williams here. I just want to take 1 minute to tell you about my new mobile app. Finding the perfect home has never been easier with my free KW Real Estate app. You'll get the most accurate real estate information that you won't find on any other app. Simply target an area by drawing a circle or dropping a pinpoint. Search for property types with ease and see inside your dream home with full screen photos and property details. This app allows us to connect so that I can provide you with great service faster. You can also estimate your home loans with the mortgage calculator. Just visit your app store today to download the free KW Real Estate app. Then search for my name and add me as your agent so that you can easily stay up to date with any new announcement and listings. So thank you for choosing me as your new agent. And with this tool, I'll take you home in no time.